Your sales team works in HubSpot, your finance team works in NetSuite, and right now they are operating on two different versions of the truth. A deal closes in HubSpot. Finance does not know for days. Someone manually creates the sales order in NetSuite, copies line items, matches records, hopes nothing gets lost. This is what happens when your CRM and your ERP do not talk to each other. The native HubSpot NetSuite connector handles basic contacts, but it does not support custom records. The Invoices API is read-only, and the moment you need custom fields or line items, it stops working. Celigo is the most common alternative, but one documented implementation took 4 months for what should have been a 3-week project. Zapier works for simple triggers, but every action is a single API call. A sales order with 20 line items means 20 separate requests. One fails, everything is out of sync. Custom code means writing against the NetSuite API with a 15 request concurrency limit shared across every integration on your account. And NetSuite is deprecating SOAP entirely by 2028. So let me show you a different approach. Stacksync connects HubSpot and NetSuite directly. Real-time, bi-directional. Deal closes in HubSpot. Sales order appears in NetSuite within seconds. Payment posts in NetSuite. Deal status updates in HubSpot automatically. Let me show you. Takes about 5 minutes. To create a real-time, bi-directional sync between NetSuite and HubSpot, let's begin by selecting Create Resource. Next, we click the Syncs option to create a new sync. In the sync name field, enter a name that clearly identifies your integration. To connect NetSuite, click NetSuite and either select an existing connection or add a new one. Then, click Select to confirm your choice. Now, let's configure the HubSpot connection by choosing HubSpot. Here, you can select an existing connection or authorize a new one as needed. Confirm your selection by clicking Select. Press Link Tables to initiate the mapping process. You can type table names directly or select them from the drop-down menu. To specify the destination table, click the drop-down and select the appropriate table, or choose to create a new one. Next, press Map Fields to configure your column mapping. For greater visibility, select Show Columns to expand the list of available fields. Click the drop-down to view HubSpot's contacts fields and select the fields you wish to map. Once your configuration is complete, click Create to finalize the sync. After being redirected to the Syncs page, simply toggle the switch to activate real-time, bi-directional data synchronization between NetSuite and HubSpot. With Stacksync, you reclaim valuable engineering hours from integration plumbing, achieve true real-time data consistency across your critical systems, and accelerate your time to value for new integrations from months to mere days. Our no-code, enterprise-grade platform ensures robust error handling, advanced scalability, and significantly lowers your total cost of ownership, all while maintaining the highest standards in security and compliance. Explore more features on our website and discover additional demos to maximize the value of your data ecosystem.